Hello mga ka-maintenance, good morning everyone. I'm here in this school to take something work again for electrical. This circuit breaker cannot not enough to supply the 2-ton horsepower air condition. See, look, it goes to the middle, so this is 15 amperes, so I need to change in 40 that one. So this is the one that I will do today, this morning, to replace the 15 amperes to 40 amperes so that the air condition will be working nicely. So let's go, we will fix it. I remove now the cover, mga ka-maintenance. Now I will remove this one to replace a new one, a circuit breaker. This is the supply for air condition. We're going to add more amperes because this is for electrical wirings only to supply, but for air condition it's not enough, so we need to put 40 amperes so that the air condition will be work. So tuloy natin gawin, mga ka-maintenance. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin now, we're going to shut down the breaker switch. Yeah, so that maiwasan natin makuryente, to cut off the line of the current. So we need to shut down this one. Okay, shut down. And then we're going to remove this one. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. See this one. Remove that and then replace another one. Yan, natanggal na natin, mga ka-maintenance. Ikakabit na rin ulit natin this one. Ayan. Ganyan lang kasimple magpalit, mga ka-maintenance. nakakabit na. It's already fixed mga ka-maintenance. Ayan. So ang gagawin natin, we're going to turn on the ELCB circuit breaker para ma-function natin lahat. So open natin. Ayan. So now nag-work na lahat. So open natin to. Ayan. So kung bago kayo sa aking YouTube channel, please like, share, comment, at huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos. Maraming salamat mga ka-maintenance.